Alright, hey y'all, welcome back to the Nut House. Thanks so much for tuning in. I appreciate each and every last one of y'all. Anybody new that's out there, go ahead, hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. I understand if you hear my voice sounding all funky and, you know, disturbing and all, but I'm just a little tired, y'all. I had to come on here and do these reviews real fast, and I apologize for my absentees. I know it's been a minute, but I've been dealing with a few tragedies in my family, y'all, and I'm a little tired. And I don't come on here telling my business, you know. I don't bring none of my personal business to YouTube, but, you know, it's just, that's what it is. So if you hear my voice sound a little funky, I'm a little down. I'm not a Debbie Downer today, okay? I'm just trying to uplift my spirits and come on here and do these reviews for y'all. So please bear with me and understand that that's what your girl going through. I'm a little tired. I ain't been sleeping well, and it's just a whole bunch of, okay? So y'all, I'm going to go ahead and show y'all what I'm gonna be working with here today. I have this thermal polygel nail kit here. The kit comes with 8 colors here. All right, and I'm gonna go through all these colors together. This one here is a gray. Girl, hold on, let me just snatch these things out the thing here. Okay, things out the thing here. I apologize, y'all, but I have 8 tubes of this polygel here. Okay, and they all are 15 mil. All right, now I don't know how much a set's 15 mil gonna do, but yeah, I guess these be little trial tester kits or whatever. I don't know if in the future they're gonna bring out some bigger jars. I don't know. Y'all got to get better and put some more in these tubes, okay, y'all? That's all I'm saying. So that's one of the cons there. Let's see. But we have 8 of these tubes. And the reason I'm saying anything is because I like to wear me some long nails. Is all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. And these little tubes ain't gonna get it for me, honey. Alright, y'all. So in this kit, you have, again, I say 15 mils of polygel. And they all are thermal. Okay. Which means they change its colors. Alright. So we have sky blue, number 5. They're not in any order. Okay. So that's what it is. Number 4 is yellow. Number 5 is sky blue, like I said. And then you got number 7 is blue. Then you got number 6 is green. You got number 1 is rose. Number 8 is gray. Number 2 is red. And number 3 is violet. Okay, it also comes with a file here. Okay, little thin file. Personally, I don't like to use black files because I don't like all the black crumbs on my nails. But to each his own. Yeah. It also comes with this little brush and picker. Brush on that side, picker on that side. Standard brush and picker. Alright, and it also comes with these cute little rhinestones, little jelly rhinestones. These are so cute. And it also comes with these Duoforms. Anybody know me? Y'all know me. Psh, toss them. I don't even use Duoforms. Well, I'm not going to toss them, of course. I'm going to give them away. But I don't use Duoforms. Duoforms and nope, not me. I ain't going to be able to do it. Girl, let's get on with this video. Alright, so got this polygel nail kit, okay? Alright, y'all, here's all the colors after I have swatched them on the sticks. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to dip them in some ice water so you can see the color change, okay? Okay. Here are all 8 of the colors. Now my pros and cons, I only have 2 because it's not many. 1 pro, 1 con. My pro is that they apply very easily. No problem with applying them at all, period. My con is, child, y'all got to get a little better with these little bitty idiot bottles. Now, when I went to squeeze this stuff out of here, there's a lot of air in these bottles as well, okay? So that's the 8 colors there. Let me move on to the next part of this video, okay? I also have this electric nail drill. I'm going using this here too. This is a rotary speed 0 to 35,000 RPMs. Yeah. All right. So you say you want my autograph? I give it to you, girl. Don't worry about it. Anyway, look here. Let me go ahead and open this box up. All right. I know the box is purple, but right here would be the color of the drill. It's a rose gold one. Okay. Rose gold. Here's the drill itself. Right. Is that protecting? Yeah, it has protecting film on top of here. So I'm not going to peel that off. I'm not going to peel that. Yeah. So this is the little handle piece here that goes on the side for your hand piece. Hold on. Let me. Oh, here, go right here. Go right here. Go right there. Hold on. Yeah, like that there. Okay, this here little nozzle right here goes for something. I believe it's this plug. Oh, what's this? Hold on, y'all. My battery going dead. Hold on. All right, I believe we left off right here. I was showing what was in this box here. They send you 3 little drill bit, little capsule thingies here. Okay, little pink, cute little drill bit thingies. That's nice. They also send you this here thing here for the hand piece to rest on. It also comes with your standard. Ooh, hold on. The standard drills. Standard drill bit kit here. You have. Oh, that's nice. I like how they get this set up. That's cute. You can store them like that. Yeah, you can sit this here just like this on top of your desk. That's nice. I like that. Yeah. This is the thing. This is the starter. This is the kickoff. Put this in your drill. You add one of these sanding bands on there, and then you get started. Then you have the football thing. Then this is another little thin football. Hold on, let me take these things off up here. Talking about football things, all that. But these are the drill bits that they give you. Okay. All right. So I don't know what grits is what, but I'm believing all of these are coarse. It feels like they're coarse. They're all coarse. That's what it feels like. Okay. All right. Hold on. Here's the plug. Had to go to plug. Girl, jumped out my hand like that. Anyway, here's the plug. Okay. You plug this up into your drill here. This is a cute little rose gold. Alright. You plug it up like that in there. And then you charge this here into your outlet. And then, yeah, you get you a full charge that way. Okay. I'm going to plug her up in a minute. And then I'm going to go through all this here with you in a minute too, okay? Here's the instructions, okay? Let you know everything about everything. But, yeah, I just about know how to work these drills with my eyes closed. So, yeah, no need of going through reading all of that. And this here, my dear, is the hand piece to the drill. Alright. Ah, this is so cute. Here's the hand piece to the drill. Here's the hand piece. It's your standard. Got a little weight to a standard hand piece right here. Okay. Now let me get ready to plug it in. Hold on. Did I do that right? Hold on. Let me see, girl. Hold on. Yeah, this is the motor. Alright, we're going to plug her in. She goes like that there into the motor. You have your reverse. You have your R for reverse, and you have your F for forward. And this here is 35K to let you know it go from 0 to 35K. Okay? Which means 35 RPMs. Let's get this baby plugged in. And we're going to see, this is a cute, it says Nail Master here. So this is probably be a real cute drill for you beginners. I'm like, you beginners, like I'm still not a beginner. Girl, I don't care how many sets I done did. I'm still beginning. I'm still learning, girl. Shoot. You're never too old to learn. I be learning, honey. Because I do make my mistakes too over here. I makes my mess ups. All's the time, honey. All's the time. There ain't nobody perfect at this nail stuff. Then we be trying to find a way, girl, make a way just to save some coins around here. That's all. So I had to learn. I had to learn my ways. I had to find my ways with learning how to do my own nails. All right, there she is, all plugged in. Hey, she's almost fully charged. That's good. Now remind you, she's not scratched up. This is just a protective film. This is just a protective film. See? That's over the drill. Okay? See? She has a protective film. Alright? So, let's go ahead. You on the hand piece, you have the R for release and S for safety. Alright? So, I'm going to go ahead and push her on over to release. Okay? Pull this pin out. You must pull this pin out every time you purchase a drill. I have had this question asked to me before. How do you get that pin out? Girl, you got to push that sucker on over to the left, to that R. Pull this pin out and you good, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and slide in this drill bit, all right? Okay. And then I'm going to put her on safety. Okay. Like that there, all right? Now let me see if I can pull her out when I get ready. Yeah, just a tad bit. Yeah, she locks in. That's great. See, this is good. You can pull her out halfway like that and still lock it, and she's in there good. And the reason I pull it out like this here, about this here length, supposed to just having it all the way in like that, because you could have it all the way in like that. But see, me, myself, you know, and I wear longer nails. And when I get ready to file my nails, I need my drill bit to be out, you know. Tab it like that there. All right, girl, we're gonna go ahead and turn her on. Oop. There she go. Girl, she on one. Look how fast she going. Wow. Ah, that's amazing. And she's quiet. You hear her humming? She quiet. She ain't got no vibration, which is great. Let me turn her up. And what I got her in? Reverse? That's reverse. Okay. That's 9. Hey. Woo! Oh, jeez, listen to that. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. That's not bad at all, girl. I like this little drill. Let me put her in forward. Make sure she's working in forward. She goes just as fast as she does in reverse. And I like this little rose gold color. This is so cute. Alright, and on the back here, this is where you clip onto your belt. Just a nice little hip hugger. I like this little thing. Girl, she got a light to her too. You see the light? You see the display on the light? Let me go in here and snatch this stuff off. You see that? Because I already showed y'all how you clean these drills. Alright, y'all. I'm about to turn her on. We're going to see how well she performs with taking off some nails. How about that? Look here. But I did notice this thing goes on this side as well as this side. So that's very nice. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, if I was to wear it, I would wear it on this side. Okay, so we're going to keep her on that side. Alright, I'm going to turn her on real fast. I'm going to keep her on 1. Let's keep her on 1 and see what she does. She's not stalling. And look how well she's taking that paint off this nail. With on 1. On 1, okay? Girl, that's all I'm saying. Hold on, I'm scared to turn her on. Hold on, let me see. Hold on, girl. Okay, I'm gonna change out the drill bit real fast. Let me turn her off. I'm gonna add one of my drill bits to her. See how well she performs. Alright, I'm going to turn her back on. Back on 1 again. This thing got some kick to her. Watch this. Let's see. Girl, I don't know, y'all beginners. Y'all might not want this one. This might be too powerful for you. You think you can handle it, girl? Let's turn it up a little bit. turn on 5. Ooh, wee, girl. Look at that. That's on 5. I don't know why I'm acting like I don't have a duster right here in my face, girl. I don't know why I always do this. Forget to turn my duster on. Y'all know what? These little nail drills they bringing out now, they perform, to me personally, I'm just being honest. I have tried the low end of the totem pole, and I also tried the high end of the totem pole. And to be honest with you, sis, if you can save a coin, save you a coin, girl. Save you a coin. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Because they didn't used to make these drills this nice back in the day. They just didn't, girl. I'm just here to tell you, they just didn't make them this nice back in the day. This twerk on this drill is amazing. Do you hear me? It's amazing. Girl, I am so loving this drill. And see, and I don't even have to tell you how well it performs. You watching it. You see it. Girl, you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. You don't want to draw no blood now. Look at that. Watch this. Let me take on it down. Watch this. On 5. Look at that. On 5. Girl, you gotta be careful though. Be careful. On 5. On 5. Will I recommend this drill? Yes, I will. Every day, all day, I would tell you, yes, I will recommend this drill. Hey, kind of rhyme. I told y'all, boy, before it's over, I'ma be a star. I'ma be a star. Girl, let me turn her on. Alright, y'all, that's my time. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this drill. I'm gonna leave all the information on down in that description box below. And if you don't have a nail drill in your life yet, sis, yeah, I recommend this one. I do. Now, I know I do reviews on other drills, you know, and if it's worth it, it's worth it. But see, like I said, I don't have to tell y'all if this drill is worth it or not. You just seen it for yourself. Girl, it's all I got to say. It's all I got to say. Until next time, y'all, thank y'all so very much for tuning in. I appreciate each and every last one of y'all. All right, in a minute. I'll be back with another video real soon.